Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today I'm going to talk about the song Kickstart My Heart by Mötley Crüe. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So, Kickstart My Heart by Mötley Crüe, and honestly, I feel, have you seen the movie on Netflix, The Dirt, the Mötley Crüe movie? I feel a little bit like the blonde guitar player there at the rehearsal. I just tabbed it up for you, and it's not hard to play, but the problem is in fact the tempo. It's 170 BPM. Well, I'm gonna, have here a drum beat on 170 BPM. And so on. You see, it's really fast, but it's not so hard to play. And I'm just going to show you the different parts of the song. There are a few parts which you need to know, and then the best is either you follow the tabs here. I've written the whole thing till the bridge, or just listen to the song and then the parts repeat themselves. So let's get started. Alright guys, the tune is in G minor. And the entry riff is this. And it has a lot of so-called anticipations. It means it starts on an offbeat. So it's a 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Starts on 3 and 1, 2, 3. The best is that you do alternate picking, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and then comes a figure 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. That's the whole figure, 1, and yeah, it's really fast. Sorry. Once again. 1, 2. So that's the intro, okay? Then comes the main figure. That's not so easy when it's again G5, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and so the chord is G5 to F5, and then you have this single note line 1. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And the F5 comes on 4, and this is a figure which comes a lot in this song. And then comes this, a C and the C sus. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then comes the figure again. So slow, it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes a figure here. Just another figure instead of playing the C sus5 twice, and then it comes again. So let's do the whole part in the original tempo. Hopefully I can do it. As I said, I feel a little bit like the blonde guitar play. Stuff is really fast, and you really have to know the song by heart. I have it here written, and I'm just doing sight reading here. Yeah, and then it stops on C. And then comes a 6/4 bar. So you hold on six beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the lyric starts. It's and that is really simple. Just G5, but the trick is you always play the chord instead of 1 and 4 ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it till one end, and then continue palm muted the low E string. And then it goes to B5, B flat 5 to F5. As I said, it's often on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then the figure again. And then comes the whole thing again. And then comes a little interlude, and then the chord comes on with 2. So 1, 2, 3, 2. And then it goes again in this, again into this. So let's do the verse with the drums. Then comes this one again. Yeah, guys, I'm really doing sight reading here. I'm wearing my glasses, see, that I can do sight reading. As I said, I never played the song before. I just tapped it out. And the sucker is really hard because it's really fast. Then comes this part again. But it ends up, this one comes again. And then it ends up on E flat, here in the 6th fret, and you hold it for a while, and then comes again, like 8 bars, and then the whole thing starts again. Second time you get there, you end up on D5. And then comes this little interlude with a now let me put the tabs here ready. So you have G5. I just put down the distortion a bit. So we have a G5 to F with a C in the bass to C. And again, we have these anticipations on 4 ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and then here C sus 4, and then resolve it. Play twice, and then comes again. And then comes a longer interlude of 8 bars, and then it's preparing again from. Same thing again now with power chords. Again, always on 4 and 1, 2, 3. And then I think it goes again in the chorus. Yo, these were all parts. Yo guys, that was Kickstart My Heart by Mötley Crüe. Honestly, when I started this project, I thought it would be way easier, like I have tapped out in 10 minutes, but it came out to be 4 pages, just the rhythm guitar. And I'm not sure if there are overdubs on the original recording, because I hear 2 guitars. And I made a version which works as 1 guitar. Maybe that made it more difficult. And the problem is not the riffs, they are null problemo, but the speed. It's 170 BPM, and you really have to know the thing by heart. And you need to have your things together a little bit, that you really have these anticipations going on for 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That you really have these things going on. Yeah. Well, on the studio recording, for sure there are overdubs, because there's also guitar solo and the rhythm guitar is still going on. So probably don't punish me for that. They also played with the tape going on in the concerts, because somehow I don't know how this thing can be done with just 1 guitar. Maybe the bass made a few parts of a guitar. I'm not sure, but I mean, it works with 1 guitar, but it's not so easy. Yeah, and you really have to be really precise. But the solo, there's a second guitar going on, and good. That's all I wanted to say. Just learn the main parts which I showed you here in this tutorial. Check the original recording, put things together, and that's it. The song is really simple. I love the song, and it's really fast, but fun. Yo, if you want to download these tabs here to learn it better, plus the audio, how this thing sounds, that you can learn it slowly, step by step, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I wanted to do a backing track, but you can play along with the original song if you want. That probably makes more sense than having my crusty backing track. Yo, that's all me and Dr. Pink are having to say. See you guys. See you in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy.